Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Taking a quick look again at Bitcoin. Just kidding, we're looking at Matic here today. Bitcoin is, by the way, a little bit on the Matic side, so just to keep in mind here, trading altcoins right now can be kind of unique and weird. In other words, simply put, we probably want to be patient and wait for Bitcoin to pick a side before you take a trade with an altcoin, but there might be some bearish and bullish divergences we want to pay attention to as well. So again, Matic strong into the increase recently and a pretty significant pullback too. So not an amazing coin to trade right now. So just throwing it out there. These are not conditions that I love to trade into. If you are new to the channel though, obviously welcome aboard. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment below, like, subscribe, and follow if you haven't already. Do that on every video. Helps me grow the channel, just so we can get more videos like this to people that need it, right? Because again, a lot of things that I like to do is to kind of educate on best practice instead of telling you just to go get wrecked, okay? Because again, the way to avoid getting wrecked is to use low leverage, low position size. Make sure you're not over leveraging or just working within your risk tolerance. Now, what is the risk tolerance for this coin? In other words, we got a pretty strong amount of liquidation to the upside and downside. So both longs and shorts got destroyed within about a 24 to 40 hour period. This is what the market's all about right now. Unfortunately, this happens a lot. This coin is no exception. And at this point, we just got to recognize that there's even more liquidation down as low as 66 cents. Okay, so 66 is that next area of liquidation that could be the target. Just keep that in mind. There's not a lot of shorts entering the market right now. So 72 cents is the next secondary level to that. But it makes more sense for the 66 cent range here, somewhere in this range to get swept, just based on the way that the market's moving. Okay, Bitcoin's showing some weakness, but still not quite sure what side it wants to pick. So until it picks that side, I would say be careful. Okay, so daily time frame. Let's work our way down. See what's going on. Quickly to note, we have broken free from our descending trend line, so that is positive in the overall sense. Not a reason to warrant a long position right now at this exact moment, but it is positive nonetheless. We've now officially broke below the 20-day SMA. That's not a good sign. We are also below 50 in the RSI, have been for some time. Stochastic swinging down, MACD losing momentum. Almost every single reason to not take a long position. Right now, Matic is looking as weak as it has possibly looked in quite some time. The daily time frame does not look favorable for this at all. A lot of coins right now unusually have good daily time frames, but the 4-hour and the hourly are looking pretty poor. I'm willing to speculate we're going to see a bearish divergence in most time frames. We're below all 4 moving averages here for Matic, underneath 50 on the RSI once more. Money flow index is kind of pulling back, but it swung up a little bit recently, but that's only for the last 12 hours. It just got rejected pretty hard here. So everything here is fully bearish. There's nothing exuding any quality content for the 4-hour or the daily time frame. We are moderately overextended to the downside, but that's pretty standard for most coins right now. Taking a look at the 1 hour, we can also recognize as well the Ichimoku cloud is confirming bearish divergence, lagging spans free and clear, conversion lines below the baseline. So there is a lot of reasons to not take a long position right now, and almost every single reason to consider a short. Okay, so again, please be careful trading this coin, specifically to the upside. We can see some type of patterns here as well, where this coin kind of looks like it wants to break to the downside. This is a typical bearish pennant pattern. Oftentimes they break down. So I'm not really convinced at all that there's going to be a good feasible long position at this point. 0.5 on fib looks pretty poor as well. Or sorry, what I mean by that is it's a support level, but it's been tested multiple times here. Almost a dozen times in the last 24 hours. So all the more reason why the price action is more likely to break down than go up. So there's very little reasons to take a long position right now. And I would say if you're going to consider a short to the next key level for your fib, right there at about 0.6687, so 68.7 cents. If we look at liquidation here too, we can see 69 as low as about 68 is a range there of liquidation to the downside. It's not a ton, but it's definitely still something. Okay, so that's kind of where we're at here for the moment here. So Matic, not looking fantastic, folks. No other way around it. I hope that you made sense of what I just described here for you, and if you want to become a better trader, again, CryptoCache.tech is a site link down below. Forgot to mention how awesome our trades have been lately. 65% for Bitcoin long from 57.7 to 65K, HBAR 69%, and Bake 21%. That's all the profit from the last 24 hours. More to come though, folks. I'm confident our short's going to play out here, and considering it honestly a short with this coin too. So we'll see where this goes. All right, thanks again so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next video. Have a good rest of your day. Take care.